everybody, welcome back to my CVS haul. I'm here to share with you guys what I got. Now I'm really trying to build extra care bucks like how I used to. So I did pay a little bit out of pocket, but that is okay because I paid with Flues. If you guys haven't used Flues, you definitely want to play Flues because you get paid to buy gift cards, instant gift cards. So if you guys haven't already, just click the referral link below if you guys want. But you get, when you first join, you get 3 vouchers for up to 35% off. So basically you can get 35% cash back when you spend $10 at CVS. That's $3.50 that you get back. So that is a great deal. But let's just dig in. So I was pretty excited for the Aspercreme deal. My store had these for $20.49. $20.49, but I had a $5 off digital coupon that I used, and then I had a 3 off of 15 Pain CRT. So I ended up paying just $12.49 for this, but then you get $10 back when you purchase one of an extra care buck, and there is a $4 I bought a rebate, making this a $1.51 moneymaker. So I got that for free. I ended up getting the Kotex pads. Now I was trying to debate if I wanted to do the Kotex pads or if I wanted to do the Playtex. I was just trying to figure out what deal would have worked out better. But I got these anyways. These were $1.89. They were buy one, get one 50% off. You would pay $2.83, but then when you purchase the 2, you get a $2 extra care buck, making these just 83 cents. That's like 42 cents each, 42, 41 cents each. So I got that one. Now I ended up doing the, getting the Schick razors. Now, I'm happy I caught myself because I had a 5 off of 20 Schick Skintimate coupon, and or CRT, and I was gonna use that, but I was gonna get 2 of these, and I was like 40 something cents short. So I'm like, okay, let's see what I can do. So I ended up getting this Schick men's razor. So this was $12.49. This was $9.59, and then I also just got this. Also, I got the Schick or the Edge shave thing for this. So you want to buy all 3 of these. I had a $4 off coupon and a $4 off printable coupon from coupons.com. And then I also had the $2 off CRT that was not working for me last week that they ended up getting credit. It was still in my account, and I scanned it and it came off. So I got a $2 off CRT for this. And then I had the 5 off a Schick razor. So I paid $10.97 for this. But then you get $10 back when you spend $25 or more on the Schick razors, and then you get $1 back with Ibotta. So this comes out to be a 3-cent moneymaker. I really wanted to do this deal because I was going to get 2 of these and it would have been a better moneymaker. But like I said, thankfully I read, because half the time I don't read and then I feel like a complete idiot because I didn't read it. So, and then I also got the Gillette men's razors. Now these were $10.99. I used 2 $3 off P&G coupons that we have, and then I had a 5 off of 20 shave. So I ended up using that, paid $10.98, but then you get a $10 extra care buck back, making these 98 cents or 49 cents each. Pretty excited. It's been a while since I really bought, I mean, I buy razors from CVS every once in a while, but it's like I miss buying like Gillette razors and all that fun stuff. So I ended up getting these small spaces for Breeze. These were $2.99. I used that buy one get one free coupon from the P&G. You would just get these for $2.99 or $1.50 each. So if you guys need something fancy to keep your house smelling delicious. Now, I did this in a separate transaction and I didn't figure it out. I thought it was gonna be even cheaper when I went to the register, but it didn't. So these two were $8.99 and this was $7.49, and they were buy one get one 40% off. Well, I had a buy 2 get 1 free coupon. It only took off $5.49, so it didn't take off very much. And then I had two $2.50 Neutrogena CRTs, and then I also had a $2.50 off of 10 Neutrogena CRTs. So I ended up using those 4 CRTs and got these 3 for $8.68 or $2.89. When I was doing the math, it seemed like a better deal, and then after I read my receipt, I wasn't paying attention. I got these for that, but that's okay. I know some of you guys need this stuff, so you know, it's a good thing, you know, to share with you guys with that. Okay, the next deal I did was the I got the Crest mouthwash, and then I got the Crest toothpaste. So the Crest toothpaste was $6.99, and I used 2 $3 off insert coupons that we got from our P&G today, and then I used 2 $1 off coupons for the mouthwash, and these were $4.99. I had a 5 off of 20 Crest CRT, paid $10.96 for those 4 items. But you get $2 for every Crest that you buy, so I got $4 back with the Crest mouthwash, and then I got $2 or $4 back for buying 2 of these. And you can submit your receipt to Ibotta. These are 2 different 50-cent Ibotta rebates, so I got 50 cents and 50 cents back with Ibotta. So these all 4 come out to be $1.96 or just 49 cents, which I think is a pretty decent deal. So 50 cents for a thing of toothpaste is a great deal. Okay, I got a couple more things to share with you guys on that. I wanted to do more that Crest toothpaste deal, but I didn't get any CRTs or Colgate. I wanted to do the Colgate deal, but I didn't get any CRTs for that. So I ended up just doing the Colgate toothbrushes. These were $4.49. I used 2 $1 off $1 off insert coupons that we had. Paid $6.98, but then you get that $5 extra care buck back, making them just $1.98 or 99 cents each, which is usually the normal for toothbrushes. Then I got this. This is a new product my store finally has. It is the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Skincare. Okay, this was $13.79. I had a $5 off CoverGirl CRT that was expiring, and then I had a CoverGirl CRT that was going to expire in the middle of the week because I sent it to my card for $5 for cleansing product. So I ended up using that, and then I had that $3 off insert coupon that we got from last week. So I just got this bottle for just 79 cents. So pretty decent deal if you guys need to go ahead and do that. And then I got the free candy deal. Okay, so I got 2 of the Flips candy. These were 2 for $2. And then I ended up getting 4 of the Baby Ruths. Now these were also 2 for $2, so I got 4 of them. So this is $6 worth of candy. I did have a CRT where you buy 4, you get the 5th one free. So I actually got $1 off of one of these pieces of candy. But there is a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta, so I got $1.50 back with Ibotta. And then with Swagbucks, there's a deal where you can buy 2 of them and you get $2 back. So I got 2 of them for free, but you can do this deal twice in the same transaction. So I actually got $4 back. So these come out to be for free. So your grand total for all 6 candy bars comes out to be a 50-cent moneymaker. I got all 6 of these absolutely free. My mother's gonna be happy because she absolutely loves Baby Ruth candy bars. So yes. So my total came to $31.46. I should have kind of broke them up in pieces, but I did not factor it until the very end. I just kind of wanted to get out of the store, but that's okay because I ended up using gift cards that I have anyways. But I did use $45 worth of extra care bucks, and I did receive $45 back, so I feel okay with that. With Ibotta, I received $7.50. That is for the Flips, the Aspercreme, 2 different Crests, and then the Schick Edge. And then with Swagbucks, I'll be getting $4 back for the 4 Baby Ruths. And then I did finish the Weekend Warrior with Ibotta, so I got $5 back with that. So my grand total came to be $14.96. $14.96. I forgot to add this up. I ended up getting, I ended up saving $165.27. So I think that's a pretty good deal considering I got everything for 15 bucks. I got 27 items at 55 cents each. 27 items with $165 savings. I think that is a pretty great deal. So I just wanted to share with you guys my haul. I'm trying to find my pen because I always lose my pen in this car. But again, thanks for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up and then watch all my CRTs and coupons that I used at the end of this video. Again, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.